Hi guys, in this video we will discuss about the most mysterious and most dangerous place where many ships and aeroplanes have been vanished without a trace, which is the Bermuda Triangle. In this video we will uncover the myths and mysteries of Bermuda Triangle. So keep watching until the end to know the mystery about the Bermuda Triangle. So let's get into the video. Number 1. When Christopher Columbus passed through the Bermuda Triangle on his first voyage to the New World, he recorded that a bursting flame of fire struck the sea and caused a strange light which has appeared to in the distance of few weeks later. Number 2. In 1881, legend the Ellen Huston, a ship sailing from Liverpool to New York, encountered a ghost ship in the Bermuda Triangle, and then things quickly went wrong. Number 3. In 1895, Joshua Slocum, the first man to sail solo around the world, vanished on a voyage from Martha's Vineyard to South Africa. Many have believed that Slocum should have never been lost at sea because he was known as a fantastic sailor, and his unexpected disappearances has since been attributed to Bermuda Triangle. Number 4. In 1918, the US Navy's largest and fastest fuel ship, the USS Cyclops, disappeared from the route of Caribbean to Baltimore with 309 crew members and didn't leave a single trace of what has happened until now. Many believed that though it was fully equipped with distress equipment and signals, the USS Cyclops has never given any warning and any dangerous signals that was happening at the sea. The legendary ship USS Cyclops, which once delivered aid during the World War II and carried thousands of tons of manganese ore, has simply vanished without a trace in the Bermuda Triangle. Number 5. In 1941, a Navy ship called the USS Proteus was carrying 58 passengers and a cargo of ore from St. Thomas to East Coast when it suddenly vanished in the Bermuda Triangle. 1 month later, its sister ship, the USS Nereus, has also disappeared with 61 people along the same route. Number 6. In 1945, the legend of the Bermuda Triangle began to take hold even more when 5 TBM Avenger torpedo bombers took off from the naval base and vanished in the Atlantic Ocean without completing their mission. Number 7. The last thing recorded in the communications by Flight 19 passengers were Aries reports on their location. Everything looked strange, even in the ocean, said by one pilot. Number 8. In 1948, a DC-3 commercial flight vanished over the triangle with 29 passengers and 2 crew members headed towards Miami. Number 9. That same year, a British dubbed Star Tiger flight vanished in the Bermuda Triangle without leaving a trace. 25 passengers and 6 crew members were on board, and no wreckage or no information was ever found. According to the BBC News, the official report concluded that what happened in this case will never be known, and the fate of Star Tiger must remain an unsolved mystery. Number 10. 1 year later, in 1949, a AGRE plane called Star Ariel departed from Bermuda to Kingston, Jamaica, but the flight suddenly lost communications when it switched over to Kingston frequency above the Bermuda Triangle. Though the weather was clear and the flight appeared to be on track, it was never seen or heard from again. Number 11. In 1963, the SS Marine Sulphur Queen, a large tanker ship carrying 39 passengers and molten sulfur, was last seen near the southern coast of Florida After more than 2 weeks of looking, the rescue team only found a few pieces of debris and life preservers. Number 12. The phrase Bermuda Triangle was officially coined by Vincent Gaddis in 1964 Pulp magazine article titled it as the Deadly Bermuda Triangle. In this story, Gaddis outlined several mysteries of the triangle and heightening the theory that this stretch of ocean is a dangerous zone. Number 13. In 1967, the people on the 590-foot cargo ship became victims of the triangle's mysteries when the ship suddenly disappeared with 39 people and on board. Though debris including life preserver and the lifeboat was found, the ship itself was never found again or detected again. Number 14. In 1978, an experienced pilot named Irving Rivers from the US Virgin Islands on a solo flight to pick up passengers in St. Thomas. The weather was calm and the rivers was just 1 mile from landing when the signal suddenly disappeared from the radar. A research team was sent to look for him and the plane was never found. Number 15. In 1984, a Cessna plane departed from the Fort Lauderdale en route to an island in the Bahamas, completely vanished from radar signals before dropping down into the ocean. There were no radio signals issued, and though one woman claimed to have seen the plane plunge into the water, no wreckage was ever found. Number 16. Theories about the Bermuda Triangle has been rampant for decades. Some suggest the triangle's mysteries are a result of alien activity. Others believe that it is the powerful working of the mythical underwater city Atlantis. Number 17. Bermuda Triangle stories have been proven to be more fiction than fact. The US government has never recognized this area of ocean as an actual threatening location, and there is no evidence to suggest that disappearances occur with any more frequency in the triangle than in other larger stretches of ocean. Number 18. Scientists have attributed these many disappearances due to rapid and severe weather changes, shallow waters, and methane gas eruptions in the seafloor. Number 19. On January 31, 2020, the wreckage of the SS Cotopaxi was found off the coast of Florida. Many have believed that the ship initially disappeared in 1925 because of mysterious reasons related to the Bermuda Triangle. Its discovery finally put those theories to rest. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. In the next video, we will discuss about the Bermuda Triangle. Thank you.